Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make iced cup latte in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to make iced cup latte, you're going to use the penguin stove. And this is the penguin stove. If you don't know how to unlock this stove, you can watch my previous video on how to unlock the penguin stove in Heartopia winter frost season. Okay, once you unlock this penguin stove, you can place it in your home. And then you're going to start cooking. And to make the iced cup latte, you're going to use the iced cup coffee recipe. Okay, when the first time you make iced cup latte, you need to use this recipe first. And after you make iced cup latte, the recipe will automatically appear in your food recipe list. Okay, since I have made the iced cup latte, it's already here, and this is the recipe. You're going to use the ice and then the coffee and 2 milks. Okay, you can use this recipe and you can replace the coffee with milk. So you will create the iced cup latte. Okay guys, and that's how you can create the iced cup latte in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!